We're supposed to be surfing that. See if you can surf the pole here. Go in the hole here. Go in that hole and surf the hole.
Right, in the middle there, yeah?
Yeah, slowly.
Drop into it.
Yeah, drop into it slowly. That's it, remember your stern rudder.